Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I told you guys earlier that I would come back with one more Christmas in July project, and I finally finished it. I had to watch my UFC fight, so I'm back now to share with you these cards that I made. Now I watched this video last night over on Lyric Lover Crafts. Sorry, Amber, for messing up your name in my last video. But I watched the video probably like 1:30 in the morning. I was like, couldn't get sleep. So started watching her video. I was looking for her traveler's notebook video, which I found because I want to make some. But then there was one of these handmade Christmas cards, and they are just perfect for photo giving. If you give photo cards, we tend to do that, with the exception of last year. I think with COVID, I was just, not going to take any pictures, definitely not going to the warehouse to wait in long lines to get them. And then our photo center at the warehouse I shop in no longer has a photo center where you can go in and pick up your photos. You have to order them online. So anyway, I thought I'd make these cards. These cards are so nice. They are 5x7 cards, so they're pretty big. And I'll link the video down below, her channel, Amber's channel. They're called Handmade Christmas Cards. How you can use a 12 by 12 sheet of paper. She gives you the dimensions. She shows you where to glue them at. It's just wonderful. And there's a bonus part because she even decorates the envelopes. So I pulled out Cute and Cozy Christmas. This is a Craft Smart paper pad many years ago. I've had it in my stash. This is probably second time I've used it. So it's starting to get a little low. And I have like a bag full of scraps. Just a bag full. And I love watching Amber's channel because Amber always shows you what to do with your scraps, how you can make so much with your scraps. So I'm looking forward to continuing to watch her channel to see what other ideas I can get. But let me quickly show you what I did. I made 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cards, and it looks like something is not glued down. Thought I had finished them, but I will go ahead and just put this in its spot. If I can get some glue out of this jar. Okay, I'm just going to stick that like right there. There's a very little glue on here. So here is the card. It's just so easy. This is a card made with the actual paper, right? 5x7. I went ahead and stamped it with this Merry Christmas stamp. I'm going to put 21 on the back with a sticker. And you just cut out papers. This is a 2x7 piece. This one is a 3x5 piece. That is, 3x4, just goes on. And then some kind of focal image. But you have to go over and see our channel. So cute. So I just took the time to cut up the papers, make the scraps, and put a spin on them. And I absolutely love them. I did do the inside with some pattern paper and then a white, kind of like a 5x4 sheet of cardstock, because it is a pretty heavy, not heavy, but it's pretty, has some weight to it. And then on the envelopes, she shows you how to cover the tops. Normally, some people do the inside. I like the inside too, but I've never done the outside, so I thought I would. So that once you put the card in, and this envelope is a pre-made envelope. I had them in my stash. I can't tell you where they're from, either Hobby Lobby or Michael's. And you will put your picture in there on the left side, and then get this card in there, close it up, and how cute is that? So I don't know if I'll be sending this in the mail like this. I do have an idea on another video that I will share. It'll be a Christmas project, how to put this inside of a protective envelope. So that's card number 1. And then I made this one here. I just love this color palette. I love the pink with that mint green. And these are some really faint epoxy stickers that I just added to this blank space. And I use, some have gold sequins, and then others have silver. And then I did some glossy, not glossy accents, some stickles on the word Merry and Bright. Get this out of here. And then this is the inside. I just put a little cardstock sticker there, and then the back. Okay, here's another one. And like I said, the photo of my daughter and I will go here. Then I'll have a message there. But here's this one now. This one doesn't have any sequins on it, and that's fine. I did do stickles on Joy to the World. And this is just one idea of many that you can do for your cards. I'll probably make much more, I'm sure. They'll be kind of smaller size because those are the ones that I will mail. And they will not have a lot of dimension on them, but they'll be cute, I'm sure. And there's the top of the envelope for this one here. This is just a cut apart from the collection. And there's a little tag there. And the card is pink. I think Amber used double-sided paper, and you can do that too. And that was really, really cute. I mean, hers are really cute, rustic, and just really beautiful. So here's this one here with the silver sequence. Okay, and then there it is there. Like I said, I stopped because I had to watch my fight, so I didn't get a chance to stick all these down. But basically, it says that. Okay. And then this one here has gold sequins on it. I use another epoxy sticker there just to give a little more black to the, bring out the black in the card. Again, these are 5 by 7 inches. Okay, and there's the envelope there. And then the last one is this one here. I thought these were really fun to make. And again, what a way to use up paper. What a way to put those envelopes to use. Again, here are the ones that I use. I don't have the bag that they came in. But they're a nice size. They are 5 by 7, so they work out perfect. So that is an idea for your holiday card making. Go over and check out her channel. I will link it down in the description box. And her tutorials are always very easy and always just great ideas. So I thank you so much, Amber. And you guys, until my next video, have a great evening. Bye now.